Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful and very simple stitch. This stitch is called broomstick stitch and it's made by only 2 rows. This is the front view of that and this is the back view. I made that with Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5mm hook. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, first make a slip knot and then start chaining. We have to make a multiple of 5 plus 1 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, and repeat groups of 5 chains until reach the desired width for the pattern, and at the end add 1 chains. I made 41 chains. After making this pattern, the length of these chains, actually the width of the pattern, become shorter. Okay, and now skip first chain and go to next chain, make 1 single crochet into that, and then make 1 single crochet into each of next chains until the end of the row 1. At the end, I have 40 single crochets, 1 less than beginning chains, and now start second row. Turn the work and without chaining, pull this loop on the hook, pull this up to approximately 2 centimeters, and then go to next stitch, yarn over and pull a long loop, go to the next, yarn over, pull up a long loop, go to the next, pull up a long loop, and one more time repeat that work for next stitch. Now I have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them, then make a chain. Now insert the hook under these loops between this hole here, yarn over, pull a loop, and yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. I made 1 single crochet. One more time, insert hook into same hole under these 5 loops, yarn over, pull a loop, and pull through 2. One more time, insert the hook into this hole, make 1 single crochet, and again make another single crochet. Repeat that one more time. Now I have 5 single crochets into same hole, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now go to next stitch, yarn over and pull a long loop, and go to next stitch, yarn over, pull a long loop, and repeat that for next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Now I have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through first 5 loops, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is the first single crochet just made into the hole, and then insert the hook into the hole under these 5 loops, 5 front loops, and make 1 single crochet, and again repeat that. 1, 2 and 3. Now I have 5 single crochets into same hole, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One more time, go to next stitch, yarn over, pull a long loop, and repeat that 4 more times for next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and yarn over, pull through first 5 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops to make the first single crochet into this hole here. Then again, insert the hook under these 5 front loops and make 1 single crochet. One more time, 1 single crochet into same hole, and repeat that 2 more times. And now I have 5 single crochet into same hole. You have to repeat this work and go to next 5 stitches and pull up a long loop from each of them, and at the end collect them together and make 5 single crochets into the hole, and continue this work until the end of the row. This is the first single, and make 4 singles into same hole. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Continue this work until the end of the row. Now row 2 is finished and I have 8 patterns in this row. Make a chain, turn the work, and repeat row 1. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch of previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go to next pattern. Each pattern has 5 stitches and we have to make 1 single crochet into each of them, and repeat that until the end of the row. At the end of row 3, I have 40 stitches again, such as row 1. Now turn the work and repeat row 2. Without chaining, pull this loop on the hook up 2 centimeters, and then go to next stitch, yarn over, pull a long loop, and repeat that for next 3 stitches. We want to make 1 stitch above the first stitch of row 2. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on the hook, and then make a chain, and then make 5 single crochet into this hole between front loops and back loops. Insert the hook under front loops and make 1 single crochet, and repeat that 4 more times. 2, 3, and 4. And now I have 5 single crochet in this first pattern, and for next pattern my work is more different. Insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull a long loop, repeat that 4 more times, yarn over, pull through first 5 loops, then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is the first single crochet of this pattern, and then make 4 single crochet into same hole. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And continue this work and repeat this part until the end of the row, and after that repeat row 3 again. These 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, should be repeated several times until the height of pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rows and now my pattern is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.